how to change mobile hotspot security type on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. So click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and click on Mobile Hotspot. After click on Mobile Hotspot, click on Band and you will see security is here. If you want to change mobile hotspot security, so you will change security type from here. After change security type, click on Save. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change mobile hotspot security type on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.